Hello my dears, I would like to introduce you to the manual power switch for sensitive high power devices that I recently installed. Good lighting is the most important thing. I screw in the blue neutral wires and yellow-green wires. I'm trying to get through a lot of wires. The most important thing is tightening the cables. I will do the first test. 0. Must be at least 10 seconds at 0 position. Now connected to the city's energy supply. I remind you once again must be in position 0 for at least 10 seconds and switching to 1. First gears works. And then 0, switching to 0. Again, command trick. I'm going to switch to second to AGM batteries or solar panels. So I switching to second. Now we run on the batteries and solar panels. Everything works fine. I try again. Everything works very well. I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel.